Davey, how do you dance?
Mama, do you think we can make this into a guitar?
A guitar?
Yeah.
That would take some creativity. How about just a drum? You're really dancing now. You want to dance with that? Okay, go ahead.
That's the end of the dance, Mama.
Okay, wait, let's get Davey's dance. Good drumming, Dave. You did.
It's got a squeak.